Well, Hamid Asul Gomor na Ceoltóirí óga sin Cláir Eshkint in Inish ach Fleadh Cheoil, I'm here with a Cláir woman, Aoife Ruane, and you're heavily involved with the Drogheda Fleadh. Tell me, what's your involvement?
Indeed, I'm involved in chairing the programme committee for the Fleadh Cheoil in hÉireann this year.
Okay, great. And are they all geared up for it in Drogheda?
Totally. There's been great excitement, anticipation and lots of hard work and I suppose great fun in planning the programme for this year.
Brilliant. And you've been organising all the concerts?
Yes, with a number of colleagues, so there's been a team of us, but we've been really delighted to think about what we're going to present across the week during the concert programme. And some of the most important concerts are starting as early as Tuesday evening in the Dome. We have Bioga, lively Bioga with Frankie Gavin and his Toast to Flanagan Brothers. We have some legends and some of the most influential musicians in Ireland, Andy Irvine and Donal Lunny, Trina Mairead Ní Dhomhnaill, agus Cormac Utsbara and the clan there. On Thursday evening we have the most magnificent virtuoso Zoe Conway, who's performing with John McIntyre, the RT Concert Orchestra and Bill Whelan, along with Donal Lunny and Mick O'Brien. And on Friday evening we have the National Folk Orchestra.
Oh my God, fair play to you, because you got to say that all off. And listen, you have the booklet, so yeah, if you're interested in coming, lads, pick one of these up in Drogheda. So tell me, what is the one unmissable thing for the week?
There isn't an unmissable, but since I'm in Ennis, I'm just thinking there are a number of, I suppose, County Clare musicians, including Ciarán Hanlon, who's receiving the Flanagan Award this year, and I think some of the former and the original band members of Stockton's Wing will be performing with them on Wednesday evening. There's also two fantastic musicians, Tara Breen, agus Bodra Grin, and they'll be performing in our late evening concert series. And also, actually going a little further south, the All-Ireland, three-time All-Ireland Céilí Band competition winners, the Shandrum Céilí Band, will be performing with Teda and Seamus Begley on Saturday evening. So there's a host of fantastic things to see.
My God, well, I can't wait. Listen, chun blasha beag don ceol the hall tacht I Drogheda tá. We have a short clip here of Declan O'Rourke. He'll be with us again at the end of August. Fleadh TV, Fleadh Cheoil.